Hi, this is Scott with MyTech USA. Here's a tip for using MyCAD, MyTech's free downloadable 3D software. If your design is already complete and you want to replace a caster, panel material, profile, or other product, then try the Properties dialog box from the Widgets drop-down menu. If you have the Properties dialog box active or open, when you select an item in your design, its parameters will be shown in this area. You can then click on Model in the dialog box and you will be directed back to the area where you can change that specific item. Click on a different new item and it will replace the original item you selected with the new one. Be careful, as not all items are created equal, so dissimilar products aren't interchangeable. Here we have profiles, base feet, casters, ankle gussets, and panels on this example that can be changed to another similar product. We can select one or multiple similar objects to change all at once. However, for profiles, you cannot change one size profile like a 40 millimeter size to a smaller or larger size profile like a 30 millimeter or 50 millimeter size without causing issues within a full 3D design. Watch carefully the examples as they are changed within their family group of products. Thank you for viewing using MyTech and MyCAD. Please check out our other videos or visit our website for product information, distributors, and software downloads.